I got this new key thing. If I seem out of breath, it's really hot in here. I got my safety keychain with pepper spray. I have my car chargers here, Scentsies here, my floor mats, more Scentsies, a phone holder, little guys up there, my steering wheel, an extra scrunchie, that little sparkly thing, my cup holders, my trash can, and then there, and then let me go around and flip up my thing so y'all can see in the back. And then here is like stuff I would need, and then this one's gonna be for like car cleaning stuff. Got my student driver stuff on as well.